Looking for a cordless tools? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 5 cordless tools available in 2021 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect cordless tools for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get starting at number 5 on our list. We have the Bosch PS3202 drill driver. The Bosch PS3202 cordless drill driver is a cordless drill driver that gives you a great deal of pleasure to use. It is incredibly light in weight, so you will not get tired of carrying it about all day. It uses 20-volt batteries. You may change the speed of this cordless tool from 400 RPM to 1300 RPM, depending on the work you're doing. The lowest speed you can apply to your job is 400 RPM, while the highest speed required for really hard and tiring work is 1300 RPM. But there's no need to be concerned about the tedious job because the Bosch PS3202 drill driver is an incredible instrument that makes even the most difficult and time-consuming tasks simple. And you also need not think about heavy noise because this fine drill driver is modeled with a brushless motor that does not allow razzmatazz to disturb you and the surrounding. Hence it is now very sure that you and your environment will be safe from sound pollution. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 4 on our list, we have the Makita XSL06Z18VX2LXT103 dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. Miter saw. Makita XSL06Z18VX2LXT10 is a fantastic cordless saw that works very faster and smoother. It is a dual compound miter saw that can tilt right or left, helping you create angled cuts without flipping over your workpiece. Its batteries are very powerful, i.e. 28-volt LXT batteries allow you to work a longer period of time than other cordless saws. Moreover, it has a brushless motor that sucks noise and allows you to cut smoothly without bothering your surround with an endless intolerable sound. The highest speed of its engine is 4400 RPM, which is sufficient for cuts and clean. You can make a 4x12 cross cut at 90 degrees by using this saw tool. The blade size is very much larger to give you a satisfactory cut. Moreover, the speed of the blade is adjustable. At number 3 on our list, we have the DeWalt DC390B 18-volt. Best circular saw. DeWalt DC390B 18-volt is such a cordless saw that allows you to cut in a circular shape. Its highest cutting speed is 3700 RPM. That obviously helps make your cutting faster and smoother. You can fantastically cut your wood or concrete. This saw has an 18-volt motor that will allow you to cut your workpiece with a high speed of 3700 RPM. The 6 1/23 blade allows you to cut at 45 degrees and 2 1/4 at 90 degrees, and the cutting capacity of this blade is 1 to 5/83. The machine is also not too heavy for one to bear. Its weight is only 6.3 pounds, which one can manage to carry anywhere. The motor is always cooled with a fan, and so there is no panic for the motor to be too hot. So you should try it as it provides you a fantastic and amazing result to your work. The biggest feature you can have is that it contains no cord to bother you by clogging again and again. At number 2 on our list, we have the Makita XOB010 Random Orbit Sander. Makita XOB010 Random Orbit Sander is a cordless sander which can help you sand smoothly. It has 3-point speed adjustability. You can choose any of the 3 speeds: 7000, 9500 and 11000. These speeds allow you to sand faster, smoother, and finer than you could imagine. It leaves no swirl marks and hence the finishing will look a lot more beautiful and glossy. The sander runs on volt batteries. These batteries will allow you an endless capability of a 20 minutes task if you work on the highest RPM speed, while working on the lowest RPM speed allows you to continue your task for 40 minutes at a stretch. So you are highly recommended to carry a charger whenever you go to work with this sander machine. Otherwise the machine may shut down when it is discharged fully. At number 1 on our list, we have the Porter Cable PCC790LA20 VMAX Lithium 18GA brad nailer. The Porter Cable PCC790LA is a kind of cordless nail gun that is very efficient in its work. It is a lightweight tool for nailing easily anywhere you want, as you won't feel hard to carry it for its lightness. The weight of this nice tool is only 5 pounds. Moreover, it has an LED light for visibility in dim or hazy condition. And also tool-free adjustment saves your valuable time. How deep the nail will go through depends on your will, and it's completely under your control. The depth adjustment wheel allows you to set how far the nail will put. Its user-friendly design will help you very much and make your task easier as well as comfortable. For any kind of nailing work including this machine is preferable to any other nailer machine. The efficiency of the tool is just awesome. Anyone is bound to be surprised at the ability of this nailer. The biggest advantage you can have is that it has no cord to bother you by clogging frequently. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.